Dog gets a job. Dog works all week. Dog finally gets his paycheck. Dog looks at it and immediately notices something is wrong. Wait, where are all my bones? Dog was promised money. The government has entered the chat. This is taxes. When Dog earns money in America, he usually has to give a portion of it to the government. That money helps pay for things like roads, schools, national defense, and government programs. But Dog usually doesn't wait until the end of the year and hand over a giant bag of bones. Instead, some taxes are taken directly from Dog's paycheck throughout the year. This is called withholding. Dog makes $1,000. Dog looks at his paycheck. Yes, 1,000 bones. Dog checks again. Federal income tax took some. Social Security took some. Medicare took some. Dog, can I at least keep enough bones for dinner? And depending on where Dog lives, state and local taxes may take some too. But here's where Dog gets confused. The US has something called tax brackets. Dog hears higher income means higher tax rate and immediately thinks, so if I make more bones, the government takes a huge chunk of all my bones? No, Dog. That's not how it works. Different portions of Dog's taxable income can be taxed at different rates. Dog makes more money, and only the portion that falls into a higher bracket gets that higher rate. Dog, oh, so I don't lose all my bones just because I found more bones? Exactly, Dog is learning. But then Dog discovers deductions and tax credits. A deduction can reduce the amount of income that's subject to tax, while a tax credit can directly reduce the amount of tax Dog owes. Dog, so both of them give me bones? Not exactly. Dog, worth asking. Then comes the annual tax return. After the year ends, Dog reports his income, deductions, credits, and the taxes that were already taken from his paychecks. If Dog paid more than he actually owed, he may get a tax refund. Dog, free bones. No, Dog. It's usually not free money. It generally means Dog paid too much during the year and is getting the extra back. Dog, so I basically lent the government my bones? Basically, Dog. And if Dog didn't pay enough during the year, he may owe more when he files. Dog opens his bank account. Dog slowly closes the app. Maybe I should have paid more attention. And income taxes aren't the only taxes Dog might deal with. Depending on what Dog does, he can also run into sales taxes when buying things, property taxes when owning property, and taxes related to investments or business income. Basically, America has found a lot of different ways to ask Dog for bones. But taxes aren't just money disappearing into a giant government bone vault. They help fund government operations and public services. So the next time Dog gets his paycheck and sees fewer bones than he expected, Dog shouldn't panic. Dog should look at his paycheck and understand where the bones went. Because now Dog understands how taxes work in America. Dog gets paid. Some bones go to taxes. Dog keeps the rest. Dog is finally financially educated. Dog celebrates by buying one bone. Then Dog checks the receipt. Wait, sales tax too? Dog has learned nothing.